So when I joined Scale to 5K, I was worried about being salesy and sounding like an MLM and just being like all in people's business without them asking for it. And what I learned through Meghan is that you can sell without being salesy or sounding like whatever you don't want to sound like. It is freaking possible. From my very first call with Meghan, she told me just sell every single day. So I have sold every single day. And it has made such a difference in my business. I completely booked out my services last month and I'm launching something new this month. But that's like not the point. The point is that Meghan is so supportive and so nurturing and guiding, and she will guide you in the direction that you need to be going based on what you want in your business, not what she wants to see for you. And the community that she has built with Scale to 5K has been such a blessing and such a help cheering me on every single day. So if you are looking for the answer of whether or not you should join Scale to 5K or not, you should.